Today we are breaking down one of the best ways to start earning an income online, affiliate marketing. We're going to lay out a complete blueprint step by step so you can get started on the right foot.
So you've probably heard about affiliate marketing in the context of passive income, right? And yeah, that's absolutely the goal. The idea is you can create something once, like a video or a blog post, that keeps working for you, earning you money long after you've finished the initial work. It's a really powerful idea, and what we're talking about today is the starter kit for building that engine. Okay, let's just get this out of the way right now. This is super important. While the income can become passive, getting there is anything but. It takes real, focused work up front to build something people actually trust. This isn't about some magic button, it's about building a real, sustainable business.
So here's our game plan. First, we'll nail down what affiliate marketing actually is. Then, we'll get into the fun stuff, how to find great products and get people to see your links. I'll also share a few pro tips for the long haul, and then we'll wrap it all up in a neat little action plan for you.
Okay, let's dive into section 1. What is affiliate marketing, really? You hear the term thrown around all the time, so let's make sure we have a solid, crystal clear understanding of how this whole thing works.
When you boil it all down, it's actually pretty simple. You're basically a referrer. You find a product you genuinely believe in, you share it with your audience, and if someone buys it through your unique link, the company pays you a commission. It's like a thank you fee for sending a great customer their way. You're kind of like a matchmaker between a solution and a person who needs it.
And this is why, when it's done right, affiliate marketing is just fantastic. It's what's called a win-win-win scenario. Seriously, everybody benefits. The customer wins because you just help them find an awesome solution to their problem. The company wins because they just got a new customer without spending a ton on ads. And of course, you win because you earned a commission for making that helpful connection.
This quote right here, this is everything. You know, affiliate marketing can sometimes get a bad rap from people who just spam their links everywhere. But the real, long-term, successful way to do this is all built on trust. I mean, you wouldn't recommend a terrible product to your best friend, would you? The exact same principle applies here. Your name is on the line.
All right, so you get the what and the why. Now for the fun part, the how. Let's jump into our next section and talk about finding the right products to promote and, more importantly, doing it in a way you can be proud of.
You know, this might be the most important tip in this whole explainer, and it's so simple, people miss it. Don't start by chasing products with the highest commission. Just stop. Instead, open up a notebook and just make a list of the things you already use and genuinely love. The software, the gear, the books, whatever. Your authentic enthusiasm for those things is your single greatest asset.
So once you have that list, actually finding their affiliate programs is usually a piece of cake. The first thing to do is just go to the company's website and scroll all the way to the bottom. Look for a link in the footer that says affiliates or partners. If you don't see one, no big deal. Just pop open Google and search for the product name plus the words affiliate program. You'll usually find it. Then you apply and they give you your special tracking link. That's it.
Okay, so you have your products, you have your unique affiliate links. Awesome. But now for the big question. How do you get those links in front of the right people? This section is all about driving quality traffic.
I'm going to sound like a broken record here, but it's that important. Our goal is never, ever to just blast our links all over the internet. Our goal is to create genuinely useful and valuable content that naturally attracts people who are already looking for the thing you're talking about. The link is just the helpful next step in their journey, not the first thing you shove in their face.
So, where's the best place to create that value? For beginners, platforms built on search are your best friend. Look at this. YouTube and blogs make up the huge majority of this strategy. And there's a reason for that. You're creating content that answers questions people are literally typing into Google or YouTube. They find you at the exact moment they need help. It's the perfect setup.
And while search traffic is amazing, this right here, this is your long-term asset. See, with Google and YouTube, you're kind of renting their audience. But an email list, that's an asset you own. It is a direct line of communication to your biggest fans, the people who actually raised their hand and said, yes, I want to hear from you. Building this from day one is one of the smartest moves you can make.
Okay, so you're up and running. But how do you make this thing last? How do you make it grow for years to come? Let's get into some pro tips that will help you shift from thinking like a hobbyist to thinking like a true business owner.
So, let me ask you a question that gives experienced affiliate marketers nightmares. Imagine you've put your affiliate link in 50 different blog posts and a dozen YouTube descriptions. Then, out of the blue, the company switches its affiliate software and every single one of your links is now dead. What do? Spend a whole weekend manually hunting down and changing every single one?
This is where the pro move of owning your links saves the day. Just look at the difference. The old risky way is using that ugly, long tracking link the company gives you. The smart way is to create a simple, clean redirect link from your own website. Something like yoursite.com/go/product. Not only does this look way more trustworthy, but if that main link ever breaks, you don't have to panic. You just log into your one tool and update the destination link in one place. It's a lifesaver.
And the best part is, this is not nearly as complicated as it sounds. There are amazing tools out there that do all the heavy lifting for you. If you're on WordPress, plugins like Thirsty Affiliates or Pretty Links are perfect for this. There are also standalone services like Genius Link that are incredibly powerful. The key is just to get in the habit of doing this from the very beginning. And here's one more pro tip. Don't just be another number in their system. Actually build relationships with the brands you promote. When you publish a great review, send their affiliate manager an email to let them know. Over time, these relationships can lead to things like higher commission rates, getting products to review before they released, all kinds of good stuff.
Okay, we have covered a ton of ground, so let's pull it all back together. Let's recap this whole thing into a simple, clear action plan that you can literally start on today.
This is it. This is your blueprint. Number 1, choose products you already use and trust. 2, go sign up for their affiliate programs. 3, start making helpful content. Think reviews, tutorials, comparisons. 4, focus on driving traffic, ideally from search platforms like a blog or YouTube. 5, from day 1, own your links. And number 6, see what's working and just keep showing up. Be consistent.
And if you remember nothing else, remember this. Success here isn't about some complicated secret. It's about consistency and integrity. Just start with one product. Make one really good, helpful piece of content. Help one person find a solution. Then do it again. The growth will happen if you always put trust and authenticity first.
So I want to leave you with a question to turn this from just information into action. Think about it right now. What is the very first product that you already use that you absolutely love that you could genuinely recommend to somebody? That's it. That's your starting point. I really hope this blueprint gives you the clarity you need to get started on this journey. For more strategies on building an income online, make sure you subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.